See, as I mentioned initially, that there are two kinds of cancers. One can be hereditary cancer. Other kind of cancer is acquired cancers. Again, there are certain mutations in the genes,
Right.
but those mutations are not present since birth. They are not present in the family. They are acquired during your lifetime, like smoking. Because of smoking, might be certain mutations which may lead to lung cancer, or pollution. So these are certain exposures which happen during your lifetime, which may cause these sporadic cancers.
Right.
So genetic testing in both these situations are two different things. As I said, these mutations are present in each cell of your body, and hence for such kind of mutations a blood test is done.
Yes.
We just need a blood test, because in blood also we will find those mutations in the nucleus of the blood cells, right? We need to know that. What are you looking for? We are looking for a hereditary predisposition. We need a blood sample. We do not need a tissue sample. But versus if we want to look for the kind of mutations in a particular tumor to determine the treatment, then we need the tissue sample. In that case, the mutation has happened only in that tissue where the cancer is. So these are two different things, right? For a germline testing, we need a blood sample. For a sporadic or for a treatment, a tissue sample. Nowadays, there are options of liquid biopsy also, which is done on blood sample. But traditionally, like for sporadic cancers, we need the tissue. We do not need the tissue for a germline testing. When the tissue is inaccessible, that's when the liquid biopsy comes in. In liquid biopsy, we look for tumor cells or tumor DNA in the blood. Okay, because it's known that sometimes the tumor discharges its DNA, or certain tumor cells, they come in the circulation. I'll repeat, in germline testing, we are taking the person's DNA, okay, and testing that.
Yes.
While in somatic testing, like for tumor treatment decisions or for liquid biopsy, we are testing the DNA of the tumor.
Okay.
We are not looking for the person's DNA when we are doing a liquid biopsy. We are looking for the DNA which tumor has released in the blood. So
Right.
that's the difference. That's what makes a liquid biopsy more complicated than a germline testing.